How to find Instagram password and username. In this video, I'll explain how to recover your Instagram username and password. If you have forgotten them, don't worry. There are simple steps you can follow to regain access to your account. I'll guide you through the process to make it easy for everyone. To get started, open the Gmail app on your device. Once you are in the app, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then select the Manage Your Account button, and this will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, swipe through the option at the top until you find Security and tap on it. Scroll down until you see the Password Manager option. Tap on Manage Passwords to view your stored credentials. Look for an anti-label Instagram in the list. Once you find it, tap on it to see more details about your account. For security reasons, you will need to verify your identity before accessing sensitive information. After you successfully verify your identity, your Instagram username and password will be displayed on the screen. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please leave them in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.